Hello everybody and welcome to another cool YouTube video. In this video we discuss about conditional statements in Python. The if else, else if statements, we discuss about these statements in Python. There are some situations in real life when we need to make some decisions, and based on these decisions we decide what should we do to next. Similar situations arises in programming when we have to make some decisions, and based on some decisions we execute some block. So we say that an example that if the today's temperature is less than 10 degrees Celsius, we say it is a cold day. So if the cold day, that means we have to wear warm clothes, and it is a winter day. It's a winter season day. So the if statement is used to decide whether a certain statement or block of statement will be executed or not. And the second one in this is the else if statement. So we say that if the temperature is greater than 30 degree, we say it is a hot day. The hot day means it's a summer season. And the third case is the sunny day, which is in the else case, the 30 degrees Celsius. So we say that if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, we say all of the remaining cases in this block of code. So now let's code if else, else if statement, the conditional statements in our Python. So we declare a variable x equal to 2 and we make a condition. So we have three conditions: if else, else if. So we say if x is less than 10, that means this number, if it is less than 10, then we print the message that x is less than 10. So x equal to 2. So if statement is used to decide whether a certain statement or block of statement will be executed or not. And the second one in this is the elif, that is the else if. I will write down this, that else if is the second case. So for checking the second case we use else if by the keyword elif. So elif keyword is used here. So else if you use to decide the second condition, and if this condition is true, then this block of statement is executed. So we say print, and here we say x is greater than 10, greater than 10. Okay, so we use these dot notations, and then in the second line we have tab, and the third case is the else case. So all of the remaining cases in the else case, which is used when all of the conditions are false. So if and elif block is not true, then this block statement is executed. So in that case, in that block we say x is equal to 10, and we know that x equal to 2. So this, if x is less than 10, this block of statement is executed. So we get the output, and let's run this. So we get the output x is less than 10. That means if x is less than 10, this block of statement is executed. And now let's deal with the second example. So the second example is the hello world. We make a string here x equal to hello world, and we make three conditions that if this x is in the lowercase or in the uppercase or in the title cases. So we make this with the condition statements. So we say x equal to x dot lower, and we know that x dot lower gives me the string of lower cases. So we say that if x equal x dot lower, then the name is in the lower case. That means all of the characters are in the lower cases. The next one is the elif, the second case, and we say that if it is the upper, then we print the message that your name is in the upper cases. That means all of the words you written in the x block is capitalized. And the third case is the else case. So what we can say in the else case, that your name is in the title case. So we say title case. So when we run this, we get the name is in the lower case. That means if block is executed, and if we use this hello, we get the name is in upper cases. So if we use this hello like this is the title case. Do you think this code is perfect? No. What about if we use this way? HELLO, we get the title case, but we know that this is not a title case. So we can use multiple elif statements here. So in the else case we say remaining cases, and we make one more declaration of statement that elif x equal x dot title. So in that case we print the message that name is in the title case. So we make 4 conditions here, and if elif and elif is not executed, then all of the remaining cases should be coming in this else block. So all of the cases remaining should be in the else block, like this way. So that's how you can use, and if we use this hello, we get our output that is in name is in title case. That code is perfect. That is how you can use if else and else if statements in Python, and in every condition if else if the code should be separated by a tab. So that's how you can deal with if else if statements in Python. In the next video we discuss about more algorithm or maybe more tutorial. So like this video, subscribe my channel for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Thank you for watching.